Hi, I'm Grigory and I'm a co-founder of Skyeer, a cloud platform for monitoring construction and mining assets based on UAV data. It's commonly acknowledged that 80% of construction projects don't meet deadlines and exceed their budget. Using UAVs for surveying is a common approach, but you would still need some tool to turn your raw aerial data into some actionable business insight. And that's exactly what Skyeer platform does. It helps you to analyze, visualize, and manage all relevant geospatial data. We have launched our platform in Q4 2018 and already got proper traction. We have surveyed over 11,000 hectares of mining and construction assets for our clients, and in each of the 80 projects we completed, we delivered clear payoff metrics. With Skyeer, clients get unbiased survey data, 10 times faster and with up to 80% increase in accuracy compared to a conventional surveying approach. Our proprietary algorithm can turn images of your territory into a 3D elevation model. The basic toolkit of the platform can then measure distance, height, and volume of any object on the construction site. But the key feature of the problem are industry solutions. For construction, Skyeer helps to monitor the progress of your earthworks. And also you can compare design plans to as-built. For the mining industry, Skyeer offers a toolbox which helps you optimize your haul roads and also report your inventory by 40% faster than by conventional methods. We deliver value to all project stakeholders. C-level executives can easily use Skyeer to check project status without any special training and knowledge. And on-site specialists and middle management can use Skyeer for their simple daily duties. We exploit a low capex and scalable market strategy, focusing on our SaaS platform, for which we sell subscription and also charge for data processing. In the domestic market, we also perform drone flights, but for global expansion, we are going to look for local partners to do that. Such a business model puts us in a global, already addressable market of $100 billion US, of which currently only 5% is serviced by UAVs. But exactly this segment is set for rapid growth. Our experience in the Global Pilots program resulted in two strategic outcomes for the company. First, we have developed a country-specific global strategy with a focus on the Middle East and Southeast Asia. And second, we have updated our marketing strategy and value proposition for the clients and already gained 5 new leads for pilots, even under current turbulent circumstances.